To make a crepe Suzette, first we will have to prepare the crepes first. So these are the ingredients. First, I will put in the salt, fresh milk, prefer in room temperature, and then whole eggs, sugar, and rum. So for all these ingredients, we need to use the hand whisk to mix it up. Prefer all the ingredients in room temperature so that it will emulsify better. So now I break the eggs and I stir well. Sometimes if you use cold egg or cold milk, you will see that it doesn't really combine nicely because the temperature problem. Okay, after you mix well the first batch of ingredients, then now you may add in the oil, the butter. Melted butter will be good. And we add in the flour slowly. And the last, we will add in the orange zest. So in this stage, you need to stir very well. Make sure there's no lumps. So normally, I won't sieve it because once we sieve it, we will remove the orange zest. I will just keep stirring until it fully combines. Okay, after it fully combined, then now we will have to chill it for 1 hour. After 1 hour chilling, you will see the mixture is start getting thicker. Now we can start fry it. So first, you need to stir well the mixture. Make sure the oil and the liquid combine nicely. And on the other part, you can warm up a pan by using medium heat. Put some oil spray, thin layer of oil spray, and make sure the oil is evenly greased on the pan. Once your pan already heat up, then you may put one ladle from the top and then you start swing. And then I'll add one more. Okay, put it back and heat. And now you can use your spatula to shape it. Make sure the side is clean. Once you see that it completely turned to white color, that means it's already cooked. And you can check at the bottom, is it starting to turn brown? If it's already turned brown, then you may flip it over. And wait for maybe 1 minute. So by the same time, you can prepare a wire rack. The wire rack actually is to cool down the crepes faster. So you can see it start bubble up. It's because that the other side is start cooking as well. So after you check the bottom, it's already turned brown, then you flip it over. Now we're going to prepare the orange caramel sauce. So I have one fresh orange and orange juice. First step, we're going to zest the orange zest inside the orange juice. 1 numbers will be good. So this will give a lot of flavor. Okay, after we finish, we can start the caramel. First, we warm up the pan and then sprinkle the sugar. Thin layer on the surface. By the same time, we need to warm up the orange juice. The purpose of warming up the orange juice is to avoid crystal when we deglaze the caramel. So when it's warm, then I believe the sugar already start melting. Control the heat into medium-high heat, or else your caramel will be too bitter. Okay, you can see the sugar start melting and caramelize. You can see I keep tapping the sugar is to break the lumps, so it will melt more better. Okay, now in this stage, I believe you can smell the caramel. So get ready your orange and deglaze. Put a little part and then stir well with the caramel. Then you add the rest. So now I let it cook for a while to melt the caramel sugar. You can see it keep bubbling. We need to let it evaporate so the caramel sauce will turn thicker. So by the same time, I can add in the butter. So the butter gives a lot of creamy texture. So now I keep stirring. Okay, after the butter fully melted, I will put in the crepes so the crepes can fully soak with the sauce. It gives more flavor. I lower down the temperature to medium heat and put it in. After putting, I will put the orange at the corner. Once you feel that the sauce is already fully soaked into the crepes, then you fold it into a triangle. So get ready a plate. So I'm using Grand Marnier to do the flambe. Okay, first I'm gonna pour a little Grand Marnier inside the pan. And I'll wait the liquor to warm it up. So once you see it start bubbling, then you get ready a torch and flame it. So this one, the flavor of the liquor will go into the crepes. Okay, now it's ready to put it on the plate. So first we remove the crepes. And pour the sauce on the plate. Make sure the sauce is fully soaked with the crepes. To do the plating, first I will move the orange to the side and I get ready some toasted hazelnut. I put it on top because hazelnut goes very well with the orange. So now I use the spoon to scoop the ice cream. I scoop a canal shape and I put it on top. So by the same time, I will zest some orange zest. And to make the small bunch, put it on top.